Good morning, everyone. You see, today I want to talk to you about something often misunderstood in Scripture, the idea of holy war. You see, when we hear the term war, we think of human ambition, nations fighting for power, land, fame, and control. You see, that is how wars have been fought throughout history, self-glorifying and self-serving. But Israel's battle in the Old Testament was different. You see, they were not about Israel proving their strength or expanding territory for their own greatness. See, they were about God acting as judge. You see, to understand holy war, we must first understand who God is. You see, He is the King of the universe and the righteous judge. You see, when He led Israel into the land of Canaan, it was not about conquering for the sake of conquest. You see, it was about settling things right in a land that had been overwhelmed with violence, injustice, and corruption for generations. You see, God's goal was restoration, not destruction, peace, not dominance, justice, not pride. So the real question is not, why did God fight? The real question is, what was God defending? You see, He was defending the possibility of a world there where His love, His peace, and His righteousness could flourish. You see, holy war is not about human power. It is about God establishing His kingdom where His rule leads to life. And the same is true today. You say God still fights, but not with swords or armies. He fights for our hearts, for our freedom, for our restoration. The greatest war, holy war, friends, was not fought on a battlefield. It was fought on the cross. You see, Jesus won that war so that peace could live in us. God bless.